I'm Jessie and I'll be showing you how to organise your wardrobe. This may look like your wardrobe at home on a good day, but with a few little adjustments we can get it looking like a shop display. For this project you will need a closet system installed in it, matching hangers, baskets, a shoe rack, drawer dividers, some extra drawers and shelves, and pegboard, and hanging rails. The first thing you need to do is get everything out of your wardrobe so that you can organise it properly. A good idea when you are pulling everything out of your wardrobe is to group items together, so have all your jackets together, all your tops together, so that you can organise it. You simply slide the hooks on the end of the bracket into the holes on the hanging rail at the back. You just snap these white clips at the back in to lock it in place. This pegboard is a fantastic addition to this wardrobe. It's really good for hanging all your accessories on. Just pop in these little hooks and you can hang stuff off them. I've doubled my hanging space by adding these extra rails. I've also got heaps more drawers and I've literally doubled the storage in this wardrobe. I have a hanging shelf organiser and a portable shoe rack here. Both of these are fantastic options if you are renting because they're portable. You can take them with you and you can pick up the hanging shelf organiser and the shoe rack from Bunnings. I've got these great little drawer organisers from Bunnings. They come in all different shapes and sizes and you can pop them in your drawers to keep them organised for all the smaller items in your wardrobe. When you're hanging everything back in your wardrobe, hang all your jackets together and all your shirts together so that you can always find what you're looking for when you're getting dressed in the morning. A really simple way to make your wardrobe look really neat is by having all matching hangers. Find some storage baskets that suit your decor and then you can place them on the top shelf of the wardrobe for some extra storage. And we're done. All the mess is gone and everything's really organised. You'll never have trouble finding that perfect outfit again.